Hello everyone, hope you are well. Welcome back to the channel. And I've got for us today something a little different. Fitting some bird guards. I've already serviced the stove and fitted a new set of bricks in it and some new grates in a portway stove. But my van was in the garage having a little job done and my camera was there, so I couldn't film it, which is rubbish. Anyway, I'm on the roof now. I've come back and I've got a couple of bird guards on. Those funny octagonal 8-sided things, or 7-sided. 8, we'll go with 8. And so I've had the cowls fitted with extra long legs to go around the fancy moulding on the top, so I've got them two on and they're in buff to match the colour of the pot. I've got a little ladder up here and I've got that one to do, which has already got like a pushing bird guard and a bit of wire, which is not ideal. And the main one is the liner in this chimney, and the customer has can you see? Let's get over there, hang on. They've got the top's blown off that one and it's a pot hanger, so we're going to have to fashion. It's not even held on with a, can you see? They've used silicone to hold it on, so silicone hole underneath of that. Because the legs aren't long enough, you need to have special ones made. So I need to get the grinder up here and trim that off and fit the new one on top of it with the legs around the outside. So anyway, I'm going to crack on with that one over there. And I'll be back with you when I come to do this one, so I won't be long. And there's, if you're wondering, there's a big flat roof here, look, and another flat roof beyond that, and it's not a very steep roof, so I've just got to be a bit careful with walking on it because it's old. So anyway, I'm going to go and get that one on and I will be back with you. Okie dokie, eyes back. I've got my grinder, and I've got that one on, and we've got those two on. They're quite sturdy actually, they're not bad fit. This one I'm going to have to grind that bit of mesh off there. The lids come off, as you know, the little welds have failed and it's left the mesh behind. The mesh is really sturdy, but it's in the way, so it has to come off. So I'm going to grab the grinder, just stand in the valley there, plenty of place to stand, and just cut that off. I've got my safety gear, earplugs and whatnot. I'm just going to grind that off, and then once I've done that I will be back with you. Okie dokie, we've got that cut off. That will do, and it's missing. It's not on there anymore. So I need to get the long legs of that thing sort of bent around whatever's left as best I can, and so it's not, and if you look at the pot hanger, it's not central, but you know, you can do what you can do. Yeah, we don't want it rattly in the wind, you know, when it so you want it nice and secure. So I'm gonna might set you up just here. I've got some little legs to stand you on, and there we go. It's a bright day today, so I hope you can see. Jubilee clip. Okay, Screwdriver's over there, so I'm off. Hello, you right? Not bad, thanks. Well, I hope you caught all that. It's as central to the pot as I can make it. It's not central to the pot hanger because that's not central to the pot. It's all sort of to this side. So I've put the bird guard off centre to the pot hanger, but it's central to the pot, and it's as best as it's going to be, I reckon. It's better than not having one, isn't it? That one's done. Those two are done, and they'll probably mucky up and match the pots when they get used. So we're done here. I'm going to get myself back down there. The van's over the other side of the ridge. It's nearly 3:30. The guy down there was one of my customers down there. They're quite old and I've been going there a long time, and he was just shutting his gates. I was just keeping an eye on him because he seemed to be moving slow. So, but there you go. Anyway, I'm going to get myself down. I'll see you in the van. Won't be a minute. Bye. Get this away. I don't need that now. Safety goggles away. Like that. Up there. Screwdriver away. And there. Sunglasses on. Ooh, I'm a bit warm now. Got all those little bags. Stick them in there for now. They're off the clamps that we get. Shoe covers, keep them with they're wet. I feel wet. Just got to get the ladder clamps on, and that's us done. Bird guards done. There, one over there, one over there. So that's us done. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, just give me a shout. This one wasn't too bad. We didn't have any roof ladders on because they had that flat roof to work on, and there's no point putting roof ladders anywhere else. You just stand in that little valley. I need to be a bit taller, but you know, a foot taller would be nice. It would be a bit easier, but there you go. So we're all done. Yeah, if you have any questions or comments, just make them in the comment section and I will see you there. Take it easy now. Bye.